God shower all His blessings with all humanity, give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of knowledge and self-realization. We hope this light gives us a new direction in life.
Thank you very much, guys, and thank you for putting together such a diverse group of panelists.
This pandemic is really a time for resilience and recalibration. There is no recent memory of such an event.
Leadership is coming and sharing their own personal stories of failures.
Learning has to be application driven and not just knowledge driven, not just concept driven, not just funda driven.
The role of a leader is very, very important. How do you bring people together in a very formal process?
It's a culture shift that needs to happen. Right from the top, work from home should be a philosophy and not a privilege.
Talent from everywhere is now available anywhere.
I would say that India is ready to reboot.
Competition makes us faster, collaboration makes us better.
Competition on anything is good because it makes everyone better.
With this healthy note, we, the Management Committee of SCM would like to welcome you all for the grand finale event under Yashasvi 2021.
To each and every team and to each and every member of every team, hearty congratulations for having been here.
These kind of events eventually prepare us for future.
So the only way to grab the market is to stun the market. The way Zoom has done in the last 1 year, we've come to shock and surprise everyone.
This is a typical 2021 scenario where hospitals are figuring out what to do with the infected linen, how to manage it without risking the life of their staff.
So a couple of you went out of the box and did some good analysis. I know it takes a lot of hard work.
Your modeling or the approach that you guys have actually put in was actually very, very commendable. I think you've covered all the points that was required.
And it's very, very difficult to actually differentiate such kind of presentations.
Such analysis and such study, I would have never expected. This generation next is just way too amazing.
So I have enjoyed the whole process, and I think this virtual meeting has been extremely well conducted.
Hats off to the organizing committee.
Thanks so much for organizing such event to Management Committee, for everyone who is behind Yashasvi and SCM.
Thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule.
We are grateful to you and for such an enriching and knowledge imparting session.
It was a good interaction with everyone here at SCM HRD.
Thank you for having me here. I think it's been a great pleasure interacting with all of you.
I must say we are glad to have you as a speaker for Yashasvi, since your talk covered so many relevant topics power-packed into 1 hour.
And I am very sure actually that it's going to help our students in our upcoming career.